So here we are petting a deer. Here, Griffin. You want to let the deer pet you? Or you let the deer lick you? Here, who is there? Who is there? I don't think he wants to. Hi. Isn't that the funniest thing?
Yeah.
It must not be dangerous at all. Look how close we are to this deer.
Yeah. Griffin. Griffin.
Oh, he was just standing on his own. Let me get a picture of him really quick.